Welcome back to my YouTube channel and subscribe RideNexus. Visual. Dramatic opening slow reveal of the ultra-wide body CRV from the front or rear corner. Focus on the polished gray paint. Forget everything you thought you knew about the Honda CRV. This is not your typical crossover. This is a concept born from a simple question. What if we pushed the limits of luxury, aggression, and raw off-road capability to the absolute extreme? Welcome to the Apex CRV. Visual. Close-ups of the fender flares, the off-road tires, and the aggressive front air intakes. Take a look at the stance. We've draped this machine in a flawless polished gray finish, but the real story is the bodywork. This is the widest body kit imaginable. The fender flares are dramatically exaggerated, extending to an almost surreal width, giving it an imposing, luxurious posture that demands attention both on and off the asphalt. Up front, the design is pure aggression. We've integrated enormous sharp-edged air intakes and bold aerodynamics canards, emphasizing a high-tech race-ready look. And tying it all together? Those massive off-road tires wrapped around intricate alloy wheels. A perfect blend of exclusive elegance and raw power. Step inside, and the aggression gives way to ultimate exclusivity. The cabin is a high-tech sanctuary. Every material, every line, has been chosen to complement the exterior's dramatic flair. Think deep, luxurious upholstery, cutting-edge digital displays, and sporty elements that remind you this is still a driver's machine. This CRV isn't just about looks. It's about a design philosophy, the power to dominate any terrain, packaged in undeniable elegance.